Nne bụ ife, nne amaka, ezi nne, nne dị mma. Afa ndị a bụ afa ndị mmadụ na-abụ ụmụ fa maka etu nne si atọ. Nwata nwaanyị anyị na-afụ n'ife eserese a abụrụla onye ndị uwe ojii kpara aka maka na ọ na-emegbu nne ya. Ọ bụ gịnị ka ọ sị na nne ya mere ya? Ọ sị na ọ sachara ya ahụ, nne ya wee mee mpusi n'ahụ ya. Ụmụnne m agadi, ọ bụ ihe ọjọọ? Ngwa n'anya gee ntị ka ife onye na-afụ maka ụmụ nwanyị bụ kọmishọna bụ Ife Obi na-abụ kwuru maka okwu a.
We didn't lack back. Okay. We didn't lack back, and you people will not leave us behind. One of us will go, and anything, whatever you people are planning about the woman, as a woman leader of the she will know.
She will get. Let's go. She will listen. Congratulations. Nobody here will make. Bathroom Bunkwan, one in the way now. Didn't go make on Island Nick. Mama Gina today will in our way up. If by your back, you were with him what to tell you. So, one day I see and something. One day I see and something. I just thank God for the person in charge of Anambra State Police. He's overtrying. He's wonderful. All the police people in Anambra State, I drop my cap for you. Thank you. I was somewhere, in short from night. The thing started trending, this video. And I started sending it. Before I knew what was happening, they joined me. The CP sent words to somebody. And the person did the meeting. And today we are here. That's the woman. That's the woman that dealt with her old mother.
So, madam, can you tell me your problem? What's the problem? Why did you treat that woman that way?
Or maybe they won't tire run at the two.
This very year, we have to start the two. So, I'll shut you down. I'm not saying what you can say. It's like a little. You can always go and go check it. But I'm saying, I'm not going to go.
Oburi ti he kind of be worry your
so you buy your can't follow. They don't have video that day. They don't have video here. Oh, people, they are going to proper there over there. Oh, people, if you want, be his also. You know, we see our. Get out of Negi. Give how many more soap you can have?
On Negiko.
On Neginafa.
Oh, Mamma, if you are what you do, someone named
you do the Akababa.
And Simon.
It is wicked, madam. I tell you, it is wicked.
So, Honorable Commissioner, with the situation of things now, what do you have to? What's your reaction actually? What do you think is
even a beast cannot do what she did to her biological mother. If you're a mother, you will understand what I'm saying. For you to have a baby 9 months in your stomach, what you passed through, she didn't consider those things. And she has confirmed that this woman is not working. I told them to bring the woman. We will go and see the woman right away.
Okay, now what's the next line of action?
The next line of action is that she's going to be prosecuted. All we are doing in Anambra State is for people to know that you don't just wake up any day and behave as if there is no law. Okay? Our law protects the aged, the young, children, We know everybody. So there's no way she would treat that woman that way, and you would expect us to keep calm, to keep mute. At least we will use that to set example, so that other people will learn. And we're going to take the woman. We're not going to leave her.
Okay, taking her, what do you mean by taking her?
To take care of her until we will invite her other children. I'm sure she's not the only person the woman gave birth to. But at least let's show the woman that she is not alone. That we have working governor.
Thank you very much. If you take her, sorry ma'am that I'm asking more questions. If you take her out of the crime scene, where else? What else?
Safe place, first of all. Safe place. Where we will keep her, take good care of her, then invite other children of hers to come. Then we will watch them, assess them. If they are not capable of taking care of the woman, we will take care of the woman. We will show her love. We appreciate old age. That she's not working is not her making. Nobody wakes up any day to say, I don't want to start to be working again. I want to be crippled. Nobody does that. It's not her making.
Thank you very much.
Oh my goodness, friend, everybody I've seen your sister. Oh, Mama, you can't have walk out. No, I can't hear sick over the one they go and I tell them what walk.
I don't want to good for you. Since the last 3 years, good by now. Good you. No, look here. You can keep us one. I care my father. I want to. So more than my father. Then the tea and I must bring my mother. That's here. 2 years ago. I was right for my investor. You will say, Papa. The point was today, you will not put in care. Don't remember them. Don't remember them. All the more money.
Meanwhile, Kadafa. Onye be. Mama gi.
Mama gi Kenya na eni. Ara jade aro abnege.
Some people is got it.
Kenya all the colors remember.
Yes, but my brother one last time. What do you use to move money? I put up on
One ka mama amu.
Almost almost 8 months. Some say
One kunu for.
that was
How often kunu na for how long can your sister do mama gi?
3 years and
How often kunu na afia? Because if there might be possibility in your omelie ebidorota. Somebody you will say, so how often kunu na afia about your sister?
like one Nwaanyi can now Lagos move for the same day every month. Same day you gonna na country more than to my family. Go to my mother, my friend Bulgaria.
How often? Yedika onwo ne mo izuko ne ko na bu no gologolo na ejafia.
Sometimes 2 weeks, sometimes a month.
Meanwhile, okay, because the woman is not talking, then we command the capable of this, the queen hand a mere back, they have the comfortable stay here. Have you?
Yes.
Okay, man, who will send the woman in 1 year?
Yes, when I see the regional level,
okay, or the Onye party?
I want Nwaanyi.
Okay. So now, Mama Kepa, because we are worried. And here everybody did after about how to take good care of this woman. Can you get prevented? You do Mama, now I beg you. Can I know?
What will prevent him?
Okay.
We're doing another.
Okay.
My wife.
With your wife. My name and I need to just from time to time.
It's about one I don't every day. Yes.
Okay. So I need to so when I back and you may expect every mama gama.
Okay.
Or any help we need to make that place at least comfortable. We will render the help today.
Okay.
So uno ya banye go di moto kai chebe. Can I from mama gi?
This is one kaka.
Okay.
Ke village unu na bag.
I love your bag.
Dia go di. Kedu onye ibu?
Isi Nwaanyi.
Okay. Ngwa bia ban. Nde unu tani na wo mu Nwaanyi.
On their bag.
Okay. Ngwa no.
No, I like a
Okay. afa gị?
Afọ m si Phoenix anyị atọ.
Onye ebe?
Onye ọrụ ọfịa abaga n'oge agụ.
Nke position gị si n'igbo onye isi ụmụ nwaanyị.
Onye isi ụmụ nwaanyị.
Ihe a
m oge agụ.
Okay, ihe a nwa melụ tata. Nyaanwa mmadụ ncha n'ime na-eti mkpu na the whole wide world. Kedu ikwu na-ama maka nwaanyị a?
Onye a bụ nwunye di anyị. Anyị na-ada eme kọmitin. Nwunye di anyị nnọọ ọgwụ. Anyị ma maka ya. Dị na-arụ wee nwaza ya mgbe nwaanyị wee duru ya. Duziere ya na-abịa. Bie ka ọ nọ. And anyị dawe na ọ nọ ebe a. Anyị na-ajụkwu esi ma isi aka ka ọ nọ. So mana ife a abịazịa wee mee. Day before yesterday ka akpọrọ m. Asị woman leader ya ndị na-achị onye na-achị. Ndị inyom. Wee kpọọ m n'abalị. Ebe 11. Day before yesterday. 11 p.m. When I sleep, it's we are going not on the next. Oh, we are going to my man and man. What am I? I'm sure my friend, let's walk with the patch. Let's walk with the bad. So, which is yeah, careful. Where for Ziana?
So what did you pick up?
So we are from where was on the measure contact was that on the what I go? I was like, I this morning. I just the wine. I try to see for us. Even a message, or call none even a melon. Even I won't man guide you because no can I. But I look at me to know your name is near you can't one at the wine and yachopia. Eh, one your puna, more nugget, more nugget, more nugget. Now, no puna, and natural owner the land. No one then na I have for government.
Otu a unu mere ngagharị iwe kedu ife unu chọrọ n'ọnọdụ a ife niile a na otu esi mee nwunye di unu kedu ife unu chọrọ ka eme?
Ife mere na enye abigokwa n'ebe a maka na ekwula na gọọmenti take go wetago then anyị wee bezie wee na-ayọkwa ka amara ife a ga-eme o jee ụlọ ọgwụ ka enyere anyị aka ife ndị eje ụlọ ọgwụ ka etiriksie anya fụ ebe obi echekwa ebe obi afọ ebe obi na-enyere ya aka mgbe ọbụla anyị mara ma ọ ya adịrị rie nri onwekwe ka ọrịa onwere ka ọrịa otu onye anwụ maka nwa nwoke na-emu nwa nwoke otu nwa nwoke nwa ụmụ nwaanyị na-abụ ka oji ụmụ nwaanyị na-abụ ka oji ka ofu onye so nwere ife ọ na-arụkwu irikwo na di enwu na fụka ọdụ so n'ọnya ka enyela anyị aka ka ịdị ife nwa mee anyị agbapụtago ndị gọọmenti
mana even at that
onye mere ife
ndị inyom nwere little things a ga na-eme anyị ga-eji wee bụrụ our brother's keeper. You know, anyị nọ dịkwa onye inyom mụ na ya na-abụ nọ na inyom dị ife mere otu anụnwa from time to time anyị ejeneti ya juzide anya ọra oge anyị wee prevent this kind of rubbish.
anyị na-eme ihe ọ bụkwa eli nke anyị mere anyị na-eme mgbe ọbụla ibekwa evidence dị onye otu anyị nwe case na bag na ọkwara mmadụ akọ nwaanyị ọkwara mmadụ akọ na na bere ife human slump ọda nwụrụ anyị organize onwe anyị tụọ ego ife niile wee na-aga ijie ọrịa abụ ebe anyị nwa bịa wee mechie the case that's 3 weeks ebe ka ebute the case anyị na-eje enyere ụmụ nwaanyị anyị aka
ebe onye a dị environment a ga-edobe ma ọ mee because na ụdị ife a n'idi care, inye good care. Oh, you don't want to go because now we are working with Oba, Babesia, from loss of memory, all love and care. I got eventually so yeah. Sense is here now, but small, you know.
Yes.
So let's go. Even we are working, we had intended to take her. Try to be in a safe place. Man, to the glory of God. Makasi bona nduriye mmosi enwu ya abia anya atuado etebe ye edebia alisi na emi nkebu ni wona eli nwatie ni e ono upo na afọ na arụ oji mu ụmụasị mana ebe ọ bụ na ọ dị otu a anyị na nwa ya eso ga anyị ejebe abaka
ndị be anyị onye fekwa na eze elo ya neta nne na nna mụtara gị nke ọma ka ụmụ gị meta gị ndewo.